For the first DIY project, I'll be transforming this clear glass vase that I got from a local shop. I'll put the contact if you're interested in one. So I'll be transforming this vase into a beautiful mirrored vase. So I'll be using these mirror tiles that I also got from a local shop. I'll put the contact in the description box and also the link of where you can get similar mirror tiles. First, I had to remove one piece at a time so as to make it easier to arrange them onto the glass vase. Once I was done, this is how I arranged my mirror tiles onto the clear glass vase. I then took my B7000 glue to stick the mirror tiles onto the glass vase. I had to use this glue because it's clear compared to the silicone glue that I normally use on my mirrors. I would like to thank everyone who has been supporting my videos through watching my videos. I'd love to say thank you so much. Continue watching my videos, and for those who are still watching my videos and haven't subscribed, please do subscribe onto my channel and also click on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post a new video. While I was gluing the mirror tiles, I noticed they were creating some gappings, so the vase was a bit bigger compared to the mirror tiles, so I had to use a card to separate the mirror tiles so as to give a uniform separation. One thing I love about this glue, gives a permanent solution. It holds the mirror tile well onto glasses, and also it's clear, it can't be seen on the other side of the vase. I also did the same thing onto the side of the vase. I went ahead and arranged the mirror tiles, then took my glue and glued them down. On this side, the gapping were a bit bigger, so I had to use something to space out the gaps uniformly. After adding the mirror tiles all around, I left it to dry overnight, and this is how my vase turned out. The mirror tiles stuck very well onto the clear glass vase. After cleaning down my vase, this is how it turned out after I had arranged some flowers. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple transformation of a clear glass vase into a mirrored one. For those who are interested in these beautiful flowers, I'll also put the link in the description box onto where I got these beautiful flowers. On to the next part, I'll be transforming this round mirror I had at home. I had this mirror for a long time. I remember it's over 3 years since I started doing DIYs. So when I started, I used to just put a cardboard on the back of my mirrors. So I'll be recycling this old mirror into a beautiful wall mirror. For the frame of my wall mirror, I had to cut an MDF into the same shape as my round mirror. Then I took some silicone glue. I normally use high-tech silicone glue to stick down my mirrors. This is one of the best local silicone glues you can find. add enough amount of silicone glue all around so as to make sure my mirror is well held onto the frame. Once I was done, I went ahead and placed the mirror on top and made sure it flashes very well on all sides. Just as I did onto the clear vase, I used these similar mirror tiles to decorate my old mirror all round. So I had to arrange the small tiles into this pattern, but you can arrange in the pattern that you'd like. So I preferred just to use this simple pattern to transform this old wall mirror into a beautiful one. After arranging the small mirror tiles onto the mirror, I went ahead to the fun part, which was gluing them down one at a time. I had to use silicone glue since just putting it on top of the mirror, but you can also use another adhesive glue. Either E6000 or the B7000 will work well. So I had to use silicone glue for these parts. After gluing down all the mirror tiles, I left my mirror for about 2 hours to let the glue to dry, and this is how it turned out. On the side of my mirror, I had to paint it black. The board I had to paint it black, but you can use a lip pin to cover the side of your mirrors. I normally forget about these parts on how I usually hang my mirrors, so I normally use these brackets, it's a wall brackets, to hang my mirrors onto the wall. Once I was done, I cleaned down my mirror and I hung it on the wall. And finally guys, this is how it has turned out. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple transformation that I've made for this round mirror. If you have a round mirror at home, you can just transform it like this to just remove the boldness of a plain round mirror. Let me know in the comment section between the two which is your favorite. And thank you so much guys for watching. See more of my videos at the end screen, and don't forget to subscribe.